Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa mga Earth elements na Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Yan, bigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading for the whole month of June. Okay? Okay. So, general po ito, hindi po ito personal reading. Ha? Okay. Isang likes lang po, share, yan. Subscribes kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribes. Salamat na marami. So, tingnan natin ang inyong tinatawag na energy. Okay. Sa the bottom card, meron ditong tinatawag na the Two of Pentacles. Di ba? Yan, oh. Bay maganda. Teka, di na tayo sa ilalim. Yan, oh. Narito yung tinatawag na the star, okay? You're the star of the show, okay? So, narito yung tinatawag na the six of, wait mo na, the six of wands, yan ha, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag success, okay? Bay maganda, okay? Narito ang the seven of cups, and ay maganda. Sandali. Uy, puro magaganda ito. Yan, sandali. Okay. Oh, maganda oh. Yan na, okay. Oh, maganda. Saan? Tama na. Nako, sus ko, ang dami. Yan. So, narito yung tinatawag na the star. Okay? Narito ang, ano ga ito? The Libra or, sandali lang ha? Ano ito? Okay. The Venus. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it has something to do about relationship. Okay? So, narito pa ang the Soleil. Okay? The Sun. Okay? So, success po. It's like tinatawag yung inyong career is umaabante na umaarangkada. Umaarangkada ha. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na 3-6. The 6 of, ano ito ha? Ano ito? The 6 of Pentacles. Yan ha, okay? So, ayan, umaarangkada na ha. Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na yayaman ka na. Yan o. Wala na ito. Wala na itong atrasan. It's like there is a tinatawag na agreement, kontrata na yan, no? Kontrata, permahan sa kontrata. Okay? Oo. Permahan na po ito sa kontrata, ha? Yan, wala na. So, ibig sabihin nito, maganda ito. Maganda ang benefits, maganda. Okay? Ibig sabihin, upcoming ito, ha? Arriving. Yan, arriving na po ito, ha? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na you're the chosen one. Yan, no? For some of you, yan, no? Aarangkada na. Maarangkada na inyong career, ha? Yan. It's more about your career ang nakikita ko sa inyo, okay? It's like tinatawag na you're the chosen one. Yan, ha? So, kung ano man ito, ibig sabihin nito, oh. Yan, no? It's about, ano na ito, yan, no? Kita ninyo, okay? Nagaano na po, ayan, manifesting na ha, sulatan, ibig sabihin agreement na ito. So, ano ang nakapaloob sa agreement? Napakaraming benefits ha. Oo. So, narito yung tinatawag na the seven of, ano ito? The seven of cups, yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, yan oh. Yan oh, ibig sabihin nito tinatawag, you will claiming na ito, okay? It's like tinatawag, makakaroon ka ng bahay, makakaroon ka ng kotse, wala nang shortages, yan oh. Yan oh, ibig sabihin nito, arena okay tanin nyo, nag-ano na sila, it's like lapatan na, okay? Ibig sabihin, there is no inhibition, partnership na ito ha, okay? Yan, so, ano na po ito ha, ibig sabihin naka-ready na, permahan na ito ha, okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the ten of swords and the six of swords. Yan ha, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na kontrata na, usapan na ito ha, wala itong biruan. Okay? Wala na po itong biruan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na magkakaroon na ng agreement. Yan ha, agreement. So, ibig sabihin nito, you are dealing na. Okay? You are dealing kung sino itong tinatawag na, yan no, ito, you are dealing with someone, it's like tinatawag with authority. Yan no, bibigyan na kayo ng posisyon ha. Nakikita ko dito, it's more about career. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, narito, ayan, no? Blessings na po ito, ha? It's like tinatawag na, ito lang hinihintay mo, magkakaroon na ng napakalaking break. Break lang. Yan, ibig sabihin may nagbukas na, bumukas na ang opportunities, bumukas na ang mga pinto, recognize na. Yan, recognize na. Yan. It's like tinatawag, hindi ka na nakalutang sa ere. Yan. It's like you are praying. Success na po yan, kita ninyo, kayamanan na po ito. It's more about your career. Kung sino man itong tinatawag na kaano ninyo dito. Yan, ka-interaction nyo. Diba? Yan, So, napakaganda, ha? So, yan, kita ninyo. Ito na, starting pa lang yan. Starting pa lang yan, ha? Starting. So, napakaganda po, ha? Kung ito yung love relationship, ganun din. Okay? Makakasuccess. Yan, magkakaroon tinatawag soulmate. Okay? Ibig sabihin soulmate mo itong mga ito. Yan, soulmate mo sila. Okay? It's like tinatawag na pareho kayo ng vibes. Okay? Yan, napakaganda. Provision, no? Provision, itong tinatawag provision sa pagsasama. Okay? Yan, so ito salubungan na, naghihintay na sa inyo, okay? Ito yung tinatawag na, ito, okay? The death na ito, yan, Ibig sabihin na nito, yan, delivery na, yan, transformation, big transformation, yan, kita ninyo, it's like tinatawag your parcel, yung tinatawag, your blessings are coming, yan, yan, kita ninyo, Ibig sabihin nito, luluhod ang tala. Luluhod ang tala sa inyo. Luluhod. Yan, ha? Ibig sabihin nito, malaking respeto. Laki respeto. You will receive a lot of high respect. Yan, high respect waiting for you. Yan, kita ninyo. Yan, kita ninyo. Kita ninyo, high respect. Very well respected kayo. Okay? Matanda man ito, bata, mas mataas pa sa inyo, mas mababa sa inyo. Nakikita dito, luluhod. Yan, luluhod. Yan, ha? So, ayan, ibig sabihin ito pagkatalo ng inyong kalaban. Yan, ha? Okay. Kasi naman ito, it's like tinatawag, they deserve this. Yan, ha? They deserve this. Yan. So, meron dito tinatawag the Ten of Swords, di ba? Okay. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, for some of you, very, very taxing. Okay? So, naririto din, ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, you need time for yourself. Yan, ha? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, be very, very kind to yourself. Yan, very, very taxing. It's like, whatever is this, di ba? After it's like tinatawag, pagkatapos ng gera, pagkatapos ng laban, kailangang ikaw is ma-energize yan. Dahil pagod na pagod ka. It's like para ka sumugod sa gera. Okay? Pero nakikita dito, the respect you will receive. The respect, yan, Yan, ha? So, for some of you, yan, whatever is this, yan, ha? It's like, this is the legacy. Legacy na ang tinatawag bestowed upon you. Okay? It's like, let's say, sabihin na natin, you've learned this craft, okay? These skills from your, tawag dito, let's say, sabihin na natin, from your professor, from your, ibig sabihin, let's say, father, okay? Yan, no? You've learned the craft, okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, yan, no? Kita ninyo, ha? It's a legacy, yan, na isinalin sa inyo, okay? So, for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, may model. It's like, meron dito nag-inspired sa inyo, okay? Yan. Kung sino ito, it's like tinatawag, you look up mo ang tao na ito. Yan, ha? Okay? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag a footstep, you follow the footstep of this person. Okay? Kung sino yan, it's like, sabihin na nating tatay mo, ninong mo, di ba? Nag-inspired sa iyo, nagturo. Yan, how to be humble, how to work hard. Di ba? So, for some of you, ha, ibig sabihin nito, pagod na pagod, kailangan magpahinga, ha? Okay? So, it's like tinatawag, marami kayong mga, sabihin na nating shows, di ba? Let's say shows, o kaya yung gang presence, it's about your presence. Marami kayong, halimbawa, iimbitahan kayo for a speech, okay? Maraming mga, halimbawa, sabihin na nating shows na dadaluhan, kailangan ng inyong tinatawag presensya, okay? Mukhang sikat na sikat ka, okay? Maybe sabihin na nating you will hahandle ka, okay, ng isang, halimbawa, group of people. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na they will listen to you. Okay? It's about what you will share to them. Diba? It's like sasabihin mo, ito na experience ko, kaya ako naging mayaman, something like that. Okay? Yan. Kaya dito may libro. Okay? It's about your hard work. It's about your experience. It's about your wisdom, your knowledge. Yan ha? Okay? Yan. So, kung ano man ito, there is a tinatawag, okay? It's about your name. Anyo, yan o. Anyo you. Yan ha? Anyo yun, may naghihintay po sa inyo dito posisyon. Okay? Napakagandang posisyon niya naghihintay sa inyo. Yan, you will be called. It's like marami kayong public appearance. Yan, no? Kaya pagod na pagod ka, ha? Okay? Public appearance, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, you need vitamins, okay? You need, yan, no? Bagsak ka sa sobrang dami mong, it's like marami ka bagang schedule, di ba? More public appearance yan. Yan, no? It's like very, very in demand kayo, ha? Okay? It's about you. Yan. Kasi dito ka nila tinitingnan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, non-stop limelight. You're on the spotlight. Yan, ha? Okay? So, yan, no? Kita nyo, double confirmation. Yan, oh. Ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, it's like tinatawag pagpapasalamat. Okay, pagpapasalamat na ito. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, the group of people, ibig sabihin magkakaroon dito ng tinatawag na acceleration. Yan na nakikita ko, acceleration. It's like a promotion. Okay, promotion. It's like giving you an applause, a reward, a recognition. Yan, oh. Ibig sabihin, ikaw lang nakagawa niyan. Okay? Okay? Be kind to yourself, ha? Okay? Sa family will congratulate you. Ibig sabihin nito, connection from family. There is an, okay. It's like tinatawag an event, an occasion. Yan, ha? For tinatawag na sama-sama assembled. Yan, ha? Okay? So, napakaganda niyan. You will receive. It's like tinatawag congratulations. Okay? So, kaisa mo sila, ang dami nagmamahal sa inyo, ha? Okay? Looking forward for a journey, okay? This is about your journey, okay? Yan, embarkment. Ibig sabihin nito, meron kang paglalakbay. Yan, ha? Okay? And you are waiting for it. And you are so very delighted. Nakikita dito, relax kayo, okay? You're so very, very happy. Ibig sabihin nito, nagiging maluwag, okay? Hindi madamot ang tinatawag universe sa inyo. Yan, oh. Nagiging napakaluwag, okay? It's about yung tinatawag your gifts. Yan, ha? Sunod ang grasyang darating sa inyo. Yan, ha? Okay? Yan. So, whatever is this, meron ditong tagumpay darating sa inyo. Okay? An action, a journey. Maybe ito. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, meron journey naghihintay sa inyo. Okay? Anyo relationship yan, kaya dito, yan na, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag, magiging very, very in demand kayo, okay? Maraming mag-i-invite sa inyo, maraming gustong co-collaborate sa inyo, maraming gustong papartner sa inyo. Yan, hangang-hanga sila sa inyo. So, it's about, tinatawag dito, preparing for your future, okay? Maybe it's more about tinatawag na pag-iipon, okay? Whatever is this, pag-iipon, halimbawa, what you want to acquire, maybe it has something to do about your health, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about your money. Maybe it has something to do about yourself, di ba? So, it's more about tinatawag expansion, preparing, yan, okay? At saka yung tinatawag na savings, yan, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yan, whatever happened in the past, yan, yan, ha? Ibig sabihin yan, may mga taong hindi maligaya for you. Yan, ha? So, hayaan mo na lang sila. Ibig sabihin nito, yan, nakikita dito, okay? For some of you, kung sino man ito, okay? Ibig sabihin yan, ganyan kayo kabait, di ba? You will give them. It's like tinatawag, ayaw mo siyang makitang malungkot. Yan, ha? Kung sino man ito malungkot. Ayaw mo siyang makitang malungkot. I-share mo rin sa kanya ang blessings mo. Eh, napakabait niyo. Kaya that's why nakikita dito, okay? It's about sharing your blessings. Yan, oh, di ba? You will share your blessings doon sa mga tinatawag kung ano wala sila. Yan, ha? Okay? So, yan. Ibig sabihin nito tagumpay. Yan, ha? Okay? For some of you, your prayers will be answered. Double confirmation. Double confirmation. Okay? Tinatawag na the star. Okay? You are chosen by God. You are chosen by people. Nakatakda ka para yumaman. Nakatakda ka para dakilain. Yan, no? Dakila ka sa mata ng napakaraming tao. Dakila ka sa mata ng mga kasamahan mo, kaibigan mo, pamilya mo. Dakila ka. Kung kaya dito nakikita, they cherish your friendship, di ba? Hangang-hanga sila sa iyo. Yan ha, ibig sabihin nito, yung iyong mind is not corrupted. It's like tinatawag, puro, okay? Maganda ang iyong intention, maganda ang iyong hangarin. Kung kaya dito, kita mo, yan di ba? It's like tinatawag lahat kung ano itong wala sa iyo, papasok sa buhay mo. Thank you very much.